starter. Stop the perky just to start. I took off the purple just to warm up.
That's gonna be so annoying. Look at the face. Like the face even has like a. Oh, it's gonna be so annoying, dude.
Alright,
I got a new favorite emote.
are we getting the air horn?
Oh. Ready, Zone?
Character's
Yeah.
face looks so dumb.
Party.
Oh yeah, new shop, the content. You guys want to see the shop?
Content.
What the F?
Let's go. What?
Oh, I can't wait to be so fucking annoying.
What?
What's wrong with you?
I don't like that.
What fucking emote came out? Is it whistle?
Clean our left,
Is
clean
it
our left.
fucking whistle?
Nope.
Is all it takes. Falling in
Do it,
love
do it.
with me.
I'm not hitting him.
Three
Oh, I
in.
broke the plane. Press no, don't break the tree. Press E.
I know where your plane is, but I can't enter it. Oh god.
Maybe if I seat swap.
This game is so good.
You see me now?
No.
Hey, I got out of the plane.
Oh yeah, I can.
Oh!
Oh my god.
What?
I
digged him out of the air.
237 with the D, bro.
I headshot him out of the air.
MC Maniac.
Yo, 056, thanks for the Twitch Prime.
Metal taken.
Right here?
Shit.
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
Oh, no, 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 no!
Yo.
I'm glitched, I'm glitched, I'm frozen.
glitched,
I'm frozen.
I'm glitched.
Yeah, GG, dude. I'm dead.
I'm so glitched though. Father of man. Whenever you want to let me free. I'm so glitched, by the way. What's my screen? Where am I? Oh, I'm alive.
Oh.
Another one's still in here?
Thank you.
I'm looking for him. Oh, he's on me. Bro, please. Are you blooming my ass?
Are you blooming my ass?
Oh shit! Are you blooming my ass, dude?
Are you actually kidding me though?
Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Bye. Oh, you don't like that, do you? You don't like that, do you, partner? No, didn't think so. Bye. Woo! What? I barely went anywhere. What are you talking about? You're not falling damage. I didn't go anywhere. I went like this far. What are you talking about? How do you miss a rocket in a building? What am I watching? Oh my god. Bro, this game's doo-doo. Are you kidding me?
I'm a bot.
No, stop.
He's leaving. He went down to the basement.
Oh my god.
John Wick.
Oh my
John
God.
Wick went to the basement.
Oh my God.
Went all the way down.
Oh my god.
You could actually just go for the res.
I'm doing it.
There's no way. I can't turn around and look. Oh, he's up. He's down. There's no way. There's no way. Oh, he's there. Oh my god, he's a bot.
Wait, there's another one coming in.
Yep. Oh, he's nothing.
Oh my god!
You 1 meter no scoped him and he had a pickaxe. Calm down.
Okay, dude. So what? I want to upload that.
Instagram worthy.
Yeah, get that on get that on the gram, as the kids say, Dab.
This game is so shit. It's so shit. That's totally fair, dude.
GG. GG. GG, guys. Fucking cancer game. Fucking cancer game. You're back. You're not good. Shit, you're back.
You notice I put a ramp and a floor down. That way I can, I put a floor and a roof. That way I can edit both and he can't protect himself if he tried to. I'm a beast, dude!
Like, what just happened? Like, what just happened? I'm about to consume booty. Big old booty. Woo! Hey, man. Hey. Hey, kid. What? Come on, bro. Are you kidding me, dude? Oh my god, dude. This game is so ass, bro.
You have any rockets by chance?
I don't.
Oh wow, okay.
Got both of these guys over here.
Alright. I'm at the bottom of the house. Dead.
Yeah. Give me a time.
Yo, Ami.
Make it 42.
Oh, this guy too?
Okay, sick.
Oh no, why did it stop?
It's all good.
I don't know where he is.
Jay, take this.
Oh, I tracked that like so perfectly. Oh my goodness. That was so good.
100 gifted subs on the line. Did Chipotle pull through? Did they put lettuce on my burrito bowl? Did they do it? In this bag determines whether or not there are 100 gifted subs to the community. Here we go. Chips. They got him. More chips. They got him. The question is, did they bring the lettuce? Queso. They got it. Burrito bowl. Did they get it? Where's the lettuce, chat? I don't see any lettuce, chat. Where's my goddamn lettuce? the lettuce? Where is it?